In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in resume in Canva. Adding a clickable link to your resume is a quick way to guide recruiters straight to your LinkedIn profile, online portfolio, or personal website. And it helps your resume feel polished and professional. Start by opening your resume design in Canva. Make sure you are in the editor with your resume page visible so you can see exactly where the link should go. Decide what you want people to click on. This can be a piece of text like LinkedIn or a full website address, or even a shape or icon you are using as a button. Click once on that text or element to highlight it. If it's a word or phrase, drag to select the entire text you want to make clickable so the link applies to all of it, not just a single letter. Now look toward the top toolbar in Canva. You'll see a small chain link icon labeled link. If you don't see it right away, click the three dots to reveal more options. Then choose link from the menu. This is where you'll attach the destination. Paste the web address into the box that appears. For best results, include the full URL with HTTPS FA at the beginning so it works properly across PDFs and shared links. Double check for typos because the link will go exactly where you tell it to. When you are ready, press enter or click done. That applies the link to your selected text or element. To verify it worked, look at the element you linked. The text will appear underlined in the editor, indicating it's now clickable. If you linked a shape or icon, you'll notice a small link indicator in the toolbar when it's selected. If you spot anything you want to change, maybe you linked the wrong item or want to update the URL, simply highlight the same text or element again, open the link option and edit or replace the address. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.